Next in Java, we are going to see what is method overloading or compile time polymorphism. So when we have large number of methods in our class with same name but with different argument list or with different return type, then that is method overloading or compile time polymorphism. So this is our class A, and in this class I'm declaring two instance variable A and B. And here is my first method. Return type of it is void show. Then system.out.println, and here I'm saying that it's no argument. There's no argument in this method. So here we haven't passed any argument here, so we have written here no argument. Next method I'm designing with same return type, that is void. Method name is also same, that is show, and here I'm passing single argument integer x, and here I'm saying a equals to x, and here I'm giving and within bracket one argument, and I'm printing that variable. Next I'm designing one more method whose return type is void, name is show, and here I'm passing two arguments inside it, integer x and integer y. These are two arguments, and here I'm saying a equals to x and b equals to y, and here I'm printing the value of x and y. So here we can see that all these methods have same name, that is show, show and show. Return type is also same, but here we haven't passed any argument. Here there we have only one argument. Here we have passed two arguments. One more method I'm creating whose return type is double. Name of method is show, and inside it I'm passing one argument of type double x, and here I'm saying a equals to, if I say it is x, then I have to typecast it into integer. So a is of type int. Here we can see that it is of type int, and now x, which was of type double, now it is of type integer because we have typecasted it. Now we have to print this variable a. No, we cannot print here. We have to return this value to main function because we have taken double return type. So system.out.println, sorry, here we have to print return statement. So we have to say return a, and this variable will be printed in main function. Now here I'm creating variable, sorry, object of class A. For that we have to say a, and here name of object I'm giving is o1 equals to new a. Here we have created one object, that is o1. Now I can say o1 dot, our first method is show, which is without any argument. So we can call this method like this. So we can see here that O1 is calling method show which has no argument. So it is going to call this method because it has no argument. It will check the argument list. It has no argument. It will call this method. Now if I say O1 dot show, and if I pass single argument inside it, it is going to call single argument method, which is the second one. And when I say O1 dot show, and here I'm passing two arguments 7 and other argument is 9. So here we have passed two argument. It will check two argument method and it is going to call this method. Now here we can see that this show and this show, sorry, the second one show has single argument, but here the return type is different from this because here it is void and here argument is of type double and here it is of type int. So here I'm declaring one more variable of type int, that is L, and here I'm saying L equals to O1 dot show, and here within bracket I'm passing double type of argument, that is 79.10.